Welcome sa Bella Vista Subdivision.
Bitina Model, Beatrice Model, Living Area, Dining Area, at ang ating kitchen area, Toilet and Bath, First bedroom, second bedroom, at ang third bedroom. Second floor, toilet and bath, balcony, ito naman ang construction update. Thank you for watching.